Hey, we're Sean and Ash, and we live full-time in our self-converted school bus. We've been spending the summer with family as we finalize the build.
Now she's going to do some house sitting for us.
So, to change things up, we spent last week dog sitting for Sean's brother, and finally got our AC unit installed. We have AC! OMG, is it gonna fit?
I think so. Yeah, it'll fit.
Wow. Holy moly.
Yeah, they hang right up there.
It's nice because we still have a little bit of room right here. My main question is it gonna be a problem, these vents? Like, do they come down or can they shoot out?
They shoot out.
Okay. Loving the trash bag on the wall behind you.
Looks good, right?
The condenser is coming separately.
Everything I need to mount this should be right up in here. Ooh, Marty, you look like a raccoon. Hey, you're one handsome dog. Look how handsome he is. And there was this one street. We called it Raspberry Lane. At the end of it, there was just bushes of raspberries. Ooh, I can smell the poop in my hands.
Classic New Jersey Lake Beach.
That was average.
So, I'm obviously not in the bus. We are staying in Sean's brother's house right now, and I am trying to get better about prepping dinner and specifically prepping my vegetables early in the week so that it's easy to just throw them in the oven. And usually for dinner, Sean and I just do like roasted vegetables or some kind of vegetable and a protein. But I honestly just Googled best way to cut up sweet potatoes because this is really intimidating. Like, what do I do? I'm not even halfway. Jeez. It was a lot of close calls. Okay. Something bad is gonna happen. Oh my god. Like, what do I do? Every way I approach this, I'm afraid. Why did I have to get the fattest sweet potato available? Okay, the goal is to get them into cubes. So I'm starting out with like this on the other one. This monster. I did it and managed to keep all 10 fingers.
Marty gets scared over everything. Legit, everything scares me. Oh, how are you doing? This thing is ginormous as it looks. Oh my god, it's huge. I hope that's okay. Plenty of copper. That's nice. Plenty of copper. It's for refrigerant to run through. This is also a place for the refrigerant to run through. And then, it's actually not that heavy. Said the Hulk. I trust you.
Marty, this is really not necessary. Do you want to see how it fits in the back deck?
You're going the wrong way.
Hi. Hi, Marty boy.
Marty on the channel.
What are we doing here? I came out and all of a sudden there was these giant tubes coming out of the bus.
The holes. And...
We have AC! Sorta.
Soon.
We have it. We don't got it like that though. So we're thinking it's gonna go right up here. Can you close the door though to the garage? Woohoo! Looks good to me, babes. Let's freaking do it. Obviously this covers our license plate, so we're gonna put it down on there. Marty loves long walks around the lake. He loves a good TREAT. You have anything to say? So, oh, that's, I don't like you. What the heck is that? So, this is obviously crooked right now. Okay, let's get that up straight. The bus is super crooked, pretty bad slant. You open this fan up and it's gonna blow directly out and down the rest of the bus. Actually didn't even know that Sean came in here and drilled this hole, but I guess these are the tubes, obviously. These go down and into the garage. Copper tubes make their way down, but they go out and out right here and run to the condenser. This is truly our hub of all things electric.
Airbag's a little slow. Well, that's what these tests are for.
There's no problem.
From the Grinch.
Babe, your neck is gonna get torched. I have a solution.
Hot on my neck.
Look, you look like Peter Pan.
I'm going for it. All right, so you know the alphabet is line, N is neutral. The S stands for signal, which actually, so that's the way the condenser and the fan communicate. Ooh, child, things are gonna get smellier.
I can't wait to fire this thing up and see if it makes a huge difference or not. I know that Sean is more excited seeing how fast it drains the battery, hooking it up to the generator and stuff. It's gonna rain like literally any second. Wait, what?
That's an Oscar Myers wiener.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yo, Chariot awaits you. This is my grandpa's boat. Gotta be 100 years old.
This is where the rower sits, right? We are currently on Skyline Lake. John's brother lives around here. Every day we've been saying, we gotta take the boat out after work. We have to take a day and go down by the water, and we usually just end up making dinner. Stay of having their house to ourselves while they're away. So we decided to start our morning off by going out on the boat, and I think it was a good choice. Tell us how you used to work the DPW around this community.
Cutting grass, you know, whacking, cleaning the garbage, making sure the parks were nice and clean for the families to enjoy their weekends. It was good. Taught me a lot about being an adult. Taught me a lot about working hard, getting to work on time, and I love this town, I really do. It's beautiful, I mean, look around.